Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt using lemon, only way. Start by heating 1 quart of milk until it steams but does not boil, then cool until it reaches 110 degrees F. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and stir gently for even acid distribution. Pour the milk into a warm container, cover, and keep at a steady warm temperature for 6 to 8 hours until set and tangy. Begin with clean jars and utensils to ensure your yogurt cultures stay pure and predictable. Heat milk slowly, stirring occasionally to avoid scorching, and aim for about 110 degrees F before adding lemon juice. After stirring in lemon, pour milk into containers and place them in a warm spot like an oven with just the light on or a warm cooler with towels. Check after 6 hours and refrigerate once texture is set and pleasantly tart. If your lemon-set yogurt turns out looser than hoped, try a longer incubation or choose whole milk next time for creamier body. To mellow excessive tang, sweeten gently with honey or maple after chilling rather than during heating. For grainy or uneven texture, strain through fine cheesecloth for 30 to 60 minutes to remove excess whey and create a thicker, creamier result that works well as a spread or breakfast base.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.